Okay, sometimes when you do OAuth to high level for whatever reason will install the application twice. And there's no visual indicators of this inside of GoHighLevel. There's no visual indicators inside of our stuff. And while we prepare to create a solution for this so that you don't have to do what I'm about to show you, I'm going to show you how to mitigate this. And so you can tell this is happening by when there is double messaging, both inbound and outbound, on your account. So someone texts in, you're getting that twice. The assistant texts out, you're getting that twice. That's how you know that this issue is happening. So the way to mitigate this is we're going to go to our high level agency view here. And we're going to go to the app marketplace. All right. So let's go to the app marketplace. Let's go to installed apps. And what I'm going to do is if I have the location that is doubling up, or maybe it's happening in multiple locations, here's just the best way I've found to do this. It's a little complicated. This is all you do. So I'm going to click on install here. I'm not going to click this yet. I'm going to go to the location here that is double messaging. So say that this one is the one that's double messaging. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to uninstall it from that one specifically. All right, say clean vibes is double messaging. I'm going to click that one. I'm going to uninstall from that one specifically. All right, I'm going to now, the other ones are fine. It's fine, whatever. I'm just going to uninstall from the entire agency now. So now this application, if I refresh the page, is completely out of the agency itself. All right. Now, we don't install from here. Now we know that the app has been installed from the location itself. We're going to go back here to our admin dashboard. This is agentcentric.com/dashboard. This is Assistable.ai/dashboard. This is your white label domain /dashboard. All right, we're going to click here, go to account. We're going to go to integrations, and then we're going to go to our high level integration here, and we're going to reset the connection. All right, and I may not be logged in. Yeah, I'm not logged into the right high level. 1 second. Okay, I went and logged out. It's logged into another high level. So I'm going to go back here. And remember now the app.gohighlevel.com is what it installs the application to. If you have a white label domain, like I have a couple, right? I've started creating assistants and things like that. Make sure you go to app.gohighlevel.com and log in there. That's how high level, just the way we mask domains. When they mask domains, it tends to not transfer data too terribly well, unfortunately. But as long as you do that, you'll be good to go. And then we just go under integrations here and reset connection or connect. So let's connect. It's going to take us to app or marketplace.gohighlevel.com. We're going to click to the agency, not a sub account, an agency here. All right, we're going to allow access and we're going to enable future installation. We're going to proceed. All right, once that's done, it's going to bring us back. Access token generated. Perfect. Now we're back. And then just to come in here and reinitialize these sub accounts, I'm just going to click into them. But I'll have an easy button for all of this fun stuff. This only happens really if the application has been installed or there's an OAuth error for whatever reason when it comes to someone maybe just got overzealous with installation. They installed into a location rather than the agency, and then they went back and did it, which theoretically on a tech level installs the application twice. That's fine. But this is how you mitigate that. It's a little bit complicated of a process, but it takes, this video is 4 minutes and that was me walking through everything. It takes a couple minutes. You should be good. Now we're working on stuff to just do that for you. But until then, that's how you do it. And then just connect these back. Make sure that these, because it'll reset the connection of these as well. I have an easy button for that here too, very, very soon. But hope that helps. Thank you so much. And we're working on making sure your connections, especially if there's mitigations of high-level errors with double installs, are taken care of for you. But hope this helps. Thanks so much.